In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a simple channel logo in BeFunky. Start by opening your browser and heading to BeFunky.com. Log in so your work can be saved to your account. On the home page, click Graphic Designer to open the design tools. We're going to work from scratch, so choose blank canvas. From the size options, select square, set to 800 by 800 pixels. This size is perfect for a clean, high-quality logo that still loads quickly. Click Use to confirm. On the left panel, click Start with a blank canvas to make sure you're working with a fresh, empty space. Next, it's time to add a visual element. Click Graphics on the left. Use the search bar to find an icon that fits your vibe. Think simple shapes or symbols that represent your niche. When you see one you like, click it to add it to your canvas. Resize the icon by dragging the corner handles and position it where you want it. Aim for clean, balanced spacing. To get perfect alignment, drag the icon until you see the on-screen guides snap it into place. Those guides help you center everything precisely, both vertically and horizontally. Now let's add your name. Click Text, then choose Add Text. A text box will appear. Type your channel name or initials. Short and bold often looks best for logos. At the top, use the toolbar to change the font, size, and color. Choose a font that matches your brand personality, scale it so it pairs nicely with the icon, and pick a color with strong contrast so it's easy to read. If needed, move the text closer to or farther from the icon until the layout feels balanced. Again, use those drag guides to center your combined design perfectly on the canvas. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export. Click Save in the top right. Choose Computer as the destination. For file format, select PNG. PNG is ideal for logos because it preserves sharp edges and color quality, making the design look crisp across different platforms. Finally, click Save. Your logo will download to your computer ready to use on your channel, social profiles, or thumbnails. And that's it. You've created a clean, professional logo in just a few minutes using BeFunky. If you want to experiment later, you can return to the graphics and text panels to try different icons, fonts, and colors using the same process. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new logo.